Here's my YT ISO, and the ISO has an option of putting on a FidLock. The YT is a German company, but also FidLock is also a German company as well. So I've had this bike for ridden it for over 100 miles already now, a couple months, and I'm gonna do a little review on how this FidLock works, or how well I think it works anyways. So obviously it's magnetic and it attaches like so. So one thing I don't like about it is that I guess if it was mounted on the, right now it's mounted from the top. If it was mounted from the bottom, it would work fine, but from the top side, this thing angles to the right to release. I don't like that. I'd rather angle to the left to release, because when I'm riding, while I'm on the move, when I'm on the go, I'm right-handed, so I like to keep my right hand on the handlebars, right? And I take my left hand to grab the bottle, but I can't flip it out to the left side. I have to go to the right side to take it out. So that's kind of awkward. It's like it makes me have to reach further down to do that. So I wish they had like an option where you could flip it to the other side instead of to the left instead of to the right from the top position. So the other thing I'm looking at this, what I don't like is because this system is magnetic, it attracts iron, right? So here I have some, so I'll show you guys can see it, but I have little bits of I guess from road debris. But you can see all that little bit of debris there. Same with this side as well. See that? It's all magnetic. It's all magnetic right there. Same with this, right? See that? It's all magnetic. So that little bit of magnetic or debris that attached to the magnet, which is some type of iron base, wherever you ride, sometimes you have rocks or whatever that might have iron in it, and it makes it magnetic. What that does is also on the bottle itself too, the bottle mount itself. See a little bit of stuff that's right there. What that does, there it is right there, a little magnetic piece right there. So what this stuff does is that it causes interference with the mounting. So it doesn't stay attached very well. It's like once it builds up enough, it doesn't stay attached, and the bottle will actually fall off, or it falls off easier. It comes off easier. So when everything's gone, it's cleared out like it is right now, it stays on better. It's much more secure. When there's all that debris, it causes this fitment here to be kind of sloppy. So right now everything's cleared out, so the fitment is like much stronger. It's a stronger hold. But when you have all that little magnetic debris that's in there between the two, it causes the fitment to be kind of loose, and it isn't as strong. And that's true because remember, this is magnetic, because both sides of this is magnetic. Magnetism, how it works is the closer they are together, the more the stronger the connection is. As the distance increases, the space between the two, as that space increases, the magnetism is weaker, so the hold isn't as strong. So that's what I noticed. And I this last ride I did, my water bottle dropped. It actually dropped like a couple times because of that, and I'm like, what the hell? At first I wasn't sure, because that never happened before. I was like, what the heck? Then when I put it back on, I felt like the hold wasn't very secure. I was like, why isn't this thing holding very secure? Then I looked at it, I'm like, oh wait a minute, what's all that stuff on the stuff? Then when I thought it was just just dirt caked up, but when I touched it, I'm like, oh, it's stuck on by the magnet. So that means that dirty rock has iron in it. So anyways, so that's my critique of the FidLock. So that's number 2. Number 3 is they don't have a big enough damn bottle. I wish they had like a 1 liter bottle, because I'm used to this is what I'm used to right here. Let me show you guys. This is what I'm used to carrying on my bottle. So I usually carry a Nalgene 1 liter bottle, and I actually have a bottle cage for the 1 liter bottle. So I'm used to carrying 1 liter. So this thing right here, this is the biggest one. This is the biggest FidLock bottle, or YT one anyways. And I think this one is 800 milliliters. So, 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters, right? But that 200 milliliters, that's a difference between, oh, I'm thirsty, got no more water, versus, oh, okay, I have just enough. Normally I have just enough with this 1 liter bottle. So anyways, yeah, so those are my 3 critiques of the FidLock system. Yeah, that's it. So I'm off for a ride now. Thanks for watching.